Hello and welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's Quick Start Guide for the Magnus VT-4000 tripod. This tripod can help stabilize shots for your photo or video camera in a way that is easily accessible for those unfamiliar with production equipment. It also presents a wide range of flexibility for your shots. The tripod kit includes a zip-up carrying case, the tripod itself, and a quick-release plate. This plate attaches to the tripod head, located above the tripod legs, and is essential for mounting your camera. To get started, remove the tripod from the carrying case and position it with the tripod head upward and the legs pointing down. If the legs don't easily open, they may be locked. If so, locate the tab at the bottom of the tripod and pull down to unlock. Each leg has two levers, one at the top and one at the bottom. To adjust the leg height, open the bottom lever and extend the leg below. Once at your desired height, close the lever to lock into place. Repeat this process for each leg, making sure they are all set to the same height so the tripod stands evenly. To check this, look at the bubble level near the top of the legs. The bubble should be centered within the drawn circle to ensure your shots are level and not slanted. You can adjust the position of the bubble level by locating the knob under the tripod head and loosening it. Move it around until you are able to center the bubble and lock it into place. If the tripod height is still too short, locate and use the top levers on each leg and adjust the height to your liking from there. Now, let's attach the camera. First, loosen the quick-release plate from the tripod by loosening the knob next to it. Then, press and hold the red button on the opposite side and slide the quick-release plate out of the slot. Once out, align the screw on the quick-release plate with the mounting hole on the bottom of your camera. Make sure the camera lens is facing the same direction as the spring next to the screw. Use the handle underneath the plate to tighten the camera securely into place. With the camera attached to the plate, push the red button previously mentioned on the side of the plate holder to allow the quick-release plate back into the slot. Tighten the knob on the other side to lock into place. Make sure the camera is facing away from the tripod arm. Your tripod arm may be folded inward for storage purposes. To reposition it, loosen the knob at the top of the arm and pull it towards you until it's in a comfortable position for your grip. Now that your camera is securely attached, let's look at the tilt and pan controls. Tilting allows you to angle and move your camera up and down while recording. To adjust the tripod's tilt, locate the knob on the side of the tripod head and loosen it to allow movement. If you want to set the camera at a specific angle, tilt the tripod and tighten the knob into place. Panning allows you to move your camera left or right while recording. To control the tripod's pan, locate the knob near the base of the tripod head where it meets the legs. Loosen it to enable smooth rotation and tighten it to lock the camera into place. Now that your tripod is set up, you're ready to start capturing your shots. Use the tilt and pan for your smooth, dynamic footage or lock everything in place for a static shot. When you're finished, disassemble the tripod setup by reversing these steps. Be sure to remove the camera first by unlocking and sliding out the quick-release plate to prevent possible damage to the camera. This concludes our quick start guide for the Magnus VT-4000 tripod. If you would like further assistance, please visit the Faculty Multimedia Center or email us at fmc@ucf.edu.